girl. Yup. Period. Okay, let me go show everybody else. We got Talia in this bitch.
I'm in it.
We got my angel.
I'm not in it.
Right, you cause she just recorded, shady. Me and Talia, bitch. Okay, we got Mari. Nyla. Talia. Is you on the camera? We got Jay. Her hand cut off. Her hand. Okay. Be back in the next clip. We lit in this bitch.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel, y'all. I know it's been a minute, but as y'all can see by the title, today I'm going to be doing a frontal wig install, and I'm going to be working with Yolissa hair today. As y'all can see, I'm just applying makeup to my cap and just cutting the perimeter of my cap off. Right here, I'm just cutting around the ear tabs and adjusting the wig to my head, just making sure it fit, you know, because it gotta fit, baby. I really just apply how many layers of glue I want to whenever, but I think I did 3 this time because I was going to keep it on for a while this time. But if I'm just taking it off, 1 or 2 a do. Make sure when you even out the glue, you even it out like all the way out, like evenly. Like when you even it out evenly, like for real. And blow dry till it's motherfucking clear, like how I'm doing, and press that shit in. You have to press it in. Like, you see how I'm pressing that comb into the lace? And pressing the lace into my skin? Yeah, that's how you melt, baby. You got to press it in. I didn't show it, but you just put the, you know, the black band around after you get done pressing it in. And I take my Baby Bliss flat iron, you know. I got it from Sally's, if y'all want to know. It was like $60. I think they was having a sale. But yeah, I'm just doing my hair bone straight. Even though in the thumbnail it will be curled, but y'all get the point. If y'all want a curling tutorial, let me know down below. For cutting the lace, I use a razor because it gives me that, you know, zigzag look without having to go in a zigzag motion, you know, because who finna be using the scissors moving up and down like that? And then it don't even give you that melted look like it do with a razor. You got to get a razor. And all I did was spray some a bean spray, it being however the fuck you say it. I mean, however you say it, you know, and spray it over the lace, you know, and blow dry. And when I do side parts, I like to do deep side parts. So I'm making a side part in like a C, and I'm using the wax stick, you know, to get all them little flyaways and to make it real flat. So I part on my edges. You can part out however many edges you want, you know, but I just do 2 on each side. Little swoopy do. And for my C part, I like that little edge, like that deep swoop look. So yeah, that's why I do a C part. Y'all gonna see. And for my swooping, I just follow my finger. You see, every time I swoop, my finger go behind it. And I'm using Got To Be glue gel to lay them down in a blow dryer to dry them, because I don't like my edges messing up when I wake up. Well, that's it, you guys. I'm gonna put a little bit of pics and flicks at the end of the video so y'all can just see, you know, how I wore it that night, you know. But thanks, Yolissa here for sponsoring this video. Bye.